Hi. Using a custom start screen, or a splash screen as we like to call it, is a great way to create some attention around your survey. The way you can use it is basically you choose a survey that you want to add a splash screen to. Normally the survey will start with the first question visible. However, if you use the splash screen, this will be visible as the first thing the respondent sees. The way to enable it is basically just to press the splash button. Make sure you have this to on. Display on. Choose a image. Certain restrictions apply to this image. And press save. Now, once the iPad has replicated, or once you've fetched the survey, the start screen will look something like this.